Hi, welcome back to Mechanics and Control of Robotic Manipulator. Although this particular course, I am actually like opting into NPTEL 8 weeks course, but there are actually like a few doubts in the last semester we had actually like, so those things I was actually like clarifying through these kind of short videos. So in the last interaction session, I got one concern. Can you actually like little more elaborate on a parabolic blend, and can you actually like give more detail how to actually like use the parabolic blend efficiently? So in that connection, this particular video I'm trying to show that. So obviously like we have actually like two cases. In the regular interaction we had actually like shown only the first case, where it is scaled down to like a 0 to 1, in the sense the initial is actually like starting from 0 and the final would be only 1 unit that would be scaled up or scaled down based on the requirement. Whereas the second case is actually like slightly different, so we can actually like choose the blend time or choose the velocity what you want to actually like have a linear velocity, then we can actually like generate the blend. But the problem is you cannot actually like choose the time in such a way that it cannot actually like go beyond half of them. Similarly, the velocity should be actually like little higher than the mean velocity, right? So then only you can do it. So in that connection, so we are actually like trying to do several compromise. So one compromise to make scale down to 0 to 1 and then scaling up according to the need. That is what we call case 1. So that is what we have seen even in the regular class, where the case 2 is actually like we can make a generalized, but provided that condition is actually like exists. So this is the first one where we have actually like seen the straight line interpolation with the parabolic blend. So we are actually like making the, you can say the straight line into two, you can say segment where there are actually like a parabolics and straight line. Even in the parabolics, you should have a smooth initial and final. So in the sense there are two parabolic blends would be there. So that blend we are actually like taking a blend time TB. So the TB would be actually like the 0 to TB or T naught to TB would be the first parabolic. It would be a smooth, then it goes straight line, then it goes again actually like smooth to end. So in that sense, you can see like there are three segments. The first segment, we can write it as actually like as per, like a simple equation of motion. We can write S of t can be written as S naught plus, you can write VBT plus half ABT squared. So here, since it is actually like assume that the initial velocity is actually like 0 and the initial position is 0, then you can write S of t is half AB square, half AB t square. Where the AB you need to define this, AB can be chosen based on the actuator limit. So once you define this, then we can actually like come back to ABT is the thing. Then we can actually like decide. However, the TB is actually like one concern. So that's what we were actually like thinking about doing it, right? So once that is done, the TB is given, then we can actually like make another segment where that would be in straight line. So then you can see that this is actually like the previous segment end point. Then you have actually like the velocity obtained as a linear velocity VB, then that would be going, but the t is actually like crossed TB. So t minus TB is actually like the case. So this is the way the second. When it comes to the third segment, so third segment, you can see these two are the first segment endpoint and this is second segment endpoint. And this is actually like the current point velocity and this is the deceleration. So these are the 3 points which we have actually like considered. So now based on that, you can actually like look at, so these are the additional constraint. So we have assumed that this S is actually like 0 to 1. So we scaled according to the X of t. So this is what we have seen. Even the MATLAB code we have seen where one particular condition you have to actually like assume. So where the TB is actually like within the restriction, for that we can actually like choose. So there are three variable VB, AB and TB. In that two supposed to be chosen in such a way that we can actually like fulfill it, right? So here we have assumed that VB is actually like 0.25 meter per second and AB is actually like 0.25 meter per second squared if it is actually like in longitudinal, otherwise just units per second or unit per second square. So based on that, the TB would be obtained, then the TF and other things can be given. and you can actually like write whatever we have written there. So you can write, and then you can actually like scale up and then plot it, right? So this is what we have seen as a case one. But when we come to the second one is actually like quite interesting. So we are actually like again taking the same way, but we are not scaling up to 0 to 1. We are actually like taking it as it is. So here again you can see there are three choices: A, B, VB and TB. So, but we follow certain procedure. Okay. So what procedure we are following? So we can choose either TB or VB. Based on that, we can get the AB, or the other way around. So we can, you see, like I already said, there are three variable, and in that actually like a two we have to choose, right? So in that sense, for example, you have a actuator restriction. The actuator cannot generate beyond certain acceleration. So then that can be considered as a AB. Then you can actually like tentatively choose another variable TB preferably within the you can say half of TF. Then we can actually like find VB, and then we can do it. Okay, so that is one thing. Or the other way around, we can actually like take it, or even actually like you can actually like take it the other way around. So the VB you can write as, once you choose an AB, then you can put a VB as so AB into TB, then that you put it into this equation, okay, or this equation, that both are actually like same, then you can find it, right? This is one choice. So the other way around, what we can do, we can choose TB, then we can find VB, then you can find AB, or you can choose VB, then you can find TB and AB. So like that we can do it. So I have actually like make a code in such a way that the TB selection is very easy than the AB or VB. So that is what I have actually like shown here. So now you can see that we are not scaling up or scaling down, because it is actually like by default. So now for simulation purpose, I've taken TB is actually like maximum, which we can take as a TF by 2, in the sense that total, you can say simulation time, or you can say total duration time of can give, you can say the maximum case, which is actually like constant acceleration for the first segment, and then constant deceleration. There would not be any constant velocity motion. That is the maximum you can obtain. So that is what we have done. So then the TB has found, then VB we can actually find based on this equation, then AB can be found, right? So like that we can actually like do it, and then you can actually see these all eliminated. I want to show the second case here, because the first case is actually like very clear in the regular lecture. The second case I am trying to show, you can see like now X naught I have given as 3, and XF is actually like given 8 units, and TF is 6 second, and I've taken TB is actually like 3 second, and I'm actually like calculating. You can see this is the first condition, and this is the second condition, and this is the third, this is the final one, and then we are plotting. Okay, so I'm just trying to show here. So I'll just run it, so you can actually like see it. So you can see like this is giving a constant acceleration, then you can see constant deceleration. This in the velocity actually like increase. So once the midpoint comes, then it is decrease. So now you can see like it is a two parabolic merged, right? So now if I actually like decrease this time, okay, so for example, I'm actually like decreasing this time into probably, so it is 6, right? So 2 seconds. So now you can actually like see it. So now it would give a proper parabolic blend with the straight line. So you can see like this is actually a constant velocity from this point to this point. You can see a constant velocity, which is a straight line motion. In order to give more clear, so I'm actually like giving a very small segment, in the sense you can see how fast it is. So you can actually like, I hope, yeah, you can see like this is actually like constant acceleration, and this is the constant deceleration, where the velocity obtained, you can say in that short period, which is 0.5 second. So after that, you can see like it is all straight line. Further, you can see like it start from 3 and it is end at 8, which is actually like given. Now even I am actually like starting this is 0. So now also you can actually like see. So this doesn't require any scaling or anything, because this is purely converge everything, right? So like that you can actually like do it. Now even I'm actually like making it, this is 2, and this I'm actually like modifying it to 8. So you can see like this would be playing a good role, right? So this is one way which we can actually like find it. right? It is actually like not making any difference. So this point to this point, you can see it is a straight line. After that, it is a parabolic, and beginning also parabolic. So this is what the parabolic blend. So this is the easiest one I feel. But if you want to actually like restrict the other way around, okay, so then you can actually like do it. So you can choose A, B, okay. So I'll actually like show what you can do it. So you can choose AB, okay, and then VB and TB have a relation. So where you can say, for example, this I'm taking as a 1 unit per second squared. So then VB and TB is equal, right? So then if I actually like substitute that way here, okay, so here if I substitute, so then it is actually like a TB into TF, right? So then I can actually like make it. So this is also 1. So in the sense what you will get, so this would be actually like getting cancelled, right? So because it is actually like, so TB would be here, and this was actually like 1. So you can actually like see 1, you can say 1 minus TF into TB would be there, which is equivalent to X naught minus XF. So where TB is actually like X naught minus XF whole divided by what you call, uh, you can actually like see 1 minus TF. So very simple example I just want to show. It need not to be. I just trying to show this. So I'll just make it R. Okay. So I'm just assuming that AB is actually like 1. Okay. So TB is actually like is, so X naught minus XF whole divided by 1 minus TF. Okay. So like as per this case, so VB is actually like, so you can write, so VB is actually like TB only, because AB into TB. Okay, so like that you can actually like get it. So now if I actually like try to see, so the TB is automatically adjusted based on 1 units per second squared. So I'll try to show in front of you only. I'm trying to model it. I'm not doing it anything. So now I assume that my acceleration is actually like maximum I can attain from the thing immediately, which is 1 unit per second squared. You can actually like see it, right? So now if I actually like increase this to probably 2, then I have to actually like modify. So you can write VB, so I'll write, so TB is actually like P, so I'll write VB is actually like AB into TB, right? Okay, so if I actually like substitute, so what happened, so it would be in a quadratic equation, right? So in order to avoid that quadratic equation, I try to actually like make it 1. Okay, so anyhow that is actually like quadratic equation, so that is fine. So I hope now you are actually like clear what I mean to say the quadratic equation. In fact, this is just for our understanding I made this, but it's supposed to be a quadratic equation. So that need to be solved. So you can actually like solve that quadratic equation, and then you can actually like get it. So I'll actually like try to show. In this case, it eventually 1 as the variable. So otherwise what we can actually like try to show, I'll just, so right. So now we assume that VB is actually like AB into TB. So right. So in this case, you substitute here. Okay. So TB is there, and you substitute AB into TB. So then what happened? AB TB squared. Okay. So minus AB TB TF, and equal to X naught XF, right? So that is the equation which we can actually like solve it. And what we can actually like do it, I'll put it the other way around. So I'll just make it, so the equation, so solve, I'll write roots. So I'll write TB1, I'll write, so roots of So which is AB TB squared, comma, so AB into TF, that is minus sign, and you have, so X naught minus Xi, right? So these are the roots which comes. So in that, I'm actually like assuming that TB1, so TB would be having two roots. So I'll actually like make it this. So TB1 of 1. Okay. So we can actually like check whether this goes. Okay, this roots. Okay, TB I have put, right, that is TF. So this is TF. Okay. So I'll just put it. So X naught XF, because this TB is actually like getting increased because there are two roots, right? So I'll take the smallest one. Okay. So TB is actually like, so minimum of TB1. Okay. So then it would be easy. So I'll just assume that, I hope you can see, right? So now the roots are actually like slightly different. So that's why I was actually like suggesting. So better choose TB and then do it. That is actually like easiest to one than doing it this serious. Okay. So I hope that is actually like clear. I think this minus sign need to be corrected. Then it would come proper. Okay. So then I think I'll just check once. Yeah. So you can see, right? So this is actually like giving based on acceleration restriction. So based on this, actually like we can actually like do it several things. So the next lecture I would be showing. So some of the other idea where, so one of the question comes in the discussion says that, can you show like elliptical or square profile and all, for especially like a mobile robot following a elliptical rather than circular, or rather than simple straight line following? Can you make a actual like square, rectangle, ellipse and all? So I just want to show one simple example here, which is actually like ellipse. So which is not a big deal because we have done already this. So if you recall in the last lecture, so we have actually like made it the circular trajectory profile where Rx and Ry, where I said omega and omega x and omega y, if you vary, so even you can get 8 profile or actually like simple straight line, inclined line. So these all can be obtained. But now if you increase the radius, so rather than equal, then that would make actual like ellipse, or you can say ellipse in actual like longitudinal side or lateral side. If you take it equal, that would be what you call simple circle, right? Just to show that I take the Rx is actually like 4 meter and Ry is 2 meter. And I assume that omega x and omega y are same. So in that sense, you can see like it would be a ellipse. So that is actually like nothing else I've changed from the basic code. So you can see like this is actually like elliptical following, where we have actually like given a dynamic model and we have taken a you can say a simple computer torque control, and then actually like we are giving a elliptical profile as the desired trajectory, and we assume that the line of sight is following, in the sense the vehicle orientation would be aligned with the profile. So these all actually like we have seen, and it is actually like following, in the sense even the differential wheel mobile robot also can follow this with a small error can be here and there. Okay. So this is what I want to show. The next lecture probably I would show like how we can do the straight line, or you can say rectangle and all. For example, now I am actually like putting this is another ellipse where you can actually like see it slightly different. You can see now the ellipse is actually like where you can see major and minor axis is actually like changed, right? So like that, we can actually like do it. Even this ellipse can be rotated 90 degree or 45 degree. Those things also can be done. For example, now I assume that rotation of so and so thing. Then what happened? Whatever you have this, so this we can actually like take it, this x and y would be rotated value. Then that also can be actually like follow, right? So in the sense, I assume that x of I and y of I want to actually like make ellipse actually like 45-degree line. So I actually like rotate about z axis 45 degree, that will maintain, right? So like that you can actually like keep adding here and there, but it won't actually like affect. So I already shown this. If I increase, so there would be you can see a small 8 profile and other things comes. In this case, it would be a slightly different ellipse, right? So you can actually like see it how these all can happen. Only thing, the line of sight procedure may be actually like end up, because it is actually like going to beyond 360 degree. So it actually like probably there would be a swap can come, you can see, right? So that can come, that can be overcome up to you can say 720 degree, you round it, then that won't actually like have a issue, right? So I hope you are clear how you can actually like take these existing you can say model to modified different profile rather than the simple circular and all. So I hope now you are clear little more. So why the parabolic blend has come and why this. So even this parabolic blend where the straight line you follow, right? So on the straight line, you can actually like allow the vehicle to go lateral, and then you can actually like follow the profile. In the sense, the vehicle is actually like maintain constant velocity, and you can actually like give lateral in a smooth profile and come back like a trapezium and all. So you can actually say that the vehicle goes straight line, goes left, right. So like that, you can actually like add that and all can be done. Okay. So I hope you are actually like clear. So with that, I'm actually like closing this particular short video. See you then. Thank you. Bye.